In century 1, quadrant 50, Nostradamus says, from the three water signs will be born a man who will celebrate Thursday as his holiday. His renown, praise, rule, and power will grow on land and sea, bringing trouble to the east. Three signs of water means Cancer, Scorpion, and Pisces. This man will be born from these three aquatic signs. What he will do? He will celebrate Thursday, which is considered in Hindu religious belief as the preceptor of devas or gods and is the holder of the supreme knowledge. Here is a clear prediction that this man, by his supreme knowledge, will envelop the whole world, ruling the spiritual world and bringing trouble to the East, signifies the fact that the ritualistic religions of the East will be wiped out. How it will be revealed now. Though it is still hypothetical, but yet it should be mentioned that the new phenomenon has started since early 20th century, encircling this man Diamond, and we have witnessed it in our life and still it continues, spreading in places by appearing within thousands of people. This is the phenomenon of establishment of a new universal religion, oneness. Seeing Diamond in different stages of life, that is, dreams, meditation, trances, reality within the body, a man is transformed into Supreme Self, getting the sense of oneness with Diamond and the whole humanity. We have also achieved it in our lives. Here, Diamond clarifies this through his forecasts. On 26th April 1958, he said, I am a human being. I am one, and at the same time, I am many whenever you are seeing my form within you. And to become many is not conveyed by me. On the contrary, you are informing me that you are seeing me within you. The form of mine which is created within you is no other than God. Then all of us are becoming one. Where is the dwell? Everything is one, and this can be explained by very easily through one unit. After 500 to 700 years later, those who have these experiences, this phenomenon will continue in their families. Even after that, how this culture will grow cannot be concluded. Again, many will experience these through your contact, and this way this phenomenon may spread. On 5th July 1958, Diamond discussed this phenomenon can be defined as seeing the form of a living person within a human body. We have understood that this human being is the truth and this is the zenith. Now, who is that person? Still now we have not conceived why it is happening and what will happen in future. In far future this phenomenon will spread and then you will get your answer. On 26th July 1958, he forecasted, the end of this phenomenon of seeing me within the human body cannot be conceived, but one day may come when a man saw me within him, and then he forgot this incident. Later on, perhaps, another man could see the seer in my form standing before him, as because long before he saw me within him. Seeing me only once or twice will not serve the purpose. There are many such incidents. How much do they understand this? Seeing me once within the body means this has manifested in embryo. Then gradually when you will get my full-fledged attributes, then only this will do. Regarding ruling of the spiritual world, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad has mentioned thus, he who dwelling in all things yet is other than all things, whom all things do not know, whose body all things are, who controls all things from within. He is your soul, the inner controller, the immortal. Diamond's form has been transformed into the soul of the whole human race, and wherever the ground is favorable, he is manifested in those bodies. We will now see how this has been mentioned and explained in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad about such person. 1. This shining immortal person who is in this mankind, and with reference to oneself, this shining immortal person who exists as a human being, he is just this soul, this immortal, this Brahma, this all. 2. Verily this soul is the overlord of all things, the king of all things, as all the spokes are held together in the hub and felly of a wheel. Just so in the soul all things, all gods, all worlds, all breathing things, all these selves are held together. Regarding the form of diamond manifested in thousands of people, Vyadaranyaka is mentioning thus: He, the immortal person or soul or Atman, verily is the steeds, he verily stands and thousands, many and endless. This Brahma is without an earlier and without a later, without an inside and without an outside. This soul is Brahma, the all perceiving. Such is the instruction. Here Nostradamus' prediction tallies with the above hymns of Brihadaranyaka Upanishad that a man will appear will in such attributes.